All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Winner's Choice. That is with the Dane helmet, the Taylor helmet, the Smith Brothers, and the Zedarius Kentucky. So we'll check the time, August 14th at 10:04 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have August 14th at 10:04 p.m. There is the list of our 21 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Zach. Spot 3 is your winner. So, Zach, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, August 14th, 10:04 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.